Hello everyone, it's Amanda Tento from The Determined Mom. I am here to give you your episode 7 preview. And in episode 7, first of all, I can't believe that I'm already 7 episodes into the show. Episode 10 is quickly approaching, and at episode 10 we start our guest spot. So every other episode from episode 10 on is going to be a guest. And I have already recorded so many amazing guest shows that I'm super excited. I can't even wait until you hear them because they bring so much value, and some of the perspectives and just the things that they do, their stories, are definitely going to be very influential for you, and hopefully they'll make you have lots of tissues and lots of motivation for your next project. So we're going to go back to episode 7 and talk about that. Episode 7 is kind of a technical SEO episode, and it's all about sitemaps. So what is a sitemap? Why do you need a sitemap? What does it do? Like, what does Google do with your sitemap? What does Bing do with your sitemap? What does Yahoo do with your sitemap? So I'm going to go over all of those, and I also include on the website page, which is thedeterminedmom.com/podcast/episode 7, you can actually find a video tutorial on how to set up your sitemap in Wix, in WordPress, and in Squarespace. So I wanted to include all of those things and give you an idea of exactly what's needed, what's required. Wix and Squarespace, you don't have to do quite as much as you do for WordPress because they do part of it for you. But I also wanted to include that for you. So I know that they're all popular content management systems, and they're all, widely used. So I wanted to give you those options. So I hope you tune in, and that episode is going to be released on Wednesday, which is June 5th, which I can't even believe that it's June, and today's my sister's birthday, so happy birthday, Jenny. But I can't even believe that it's June. So my kids are not out of school yet, and they will not be out until closer to the end of June, which I'm a little excited about, that I have a little bit more time before they get out. So the other thing that I wanted to give you is a little bonus. So if you like this type of episode, which is more of a technical teaching episode, please, please, please do not forget to sign up for the Online Marketing for Moms waiting list. So you would be a founding VIP member, and all of the founding VIP members up to the first 50 are going to get a lifetime membership for $79 as opposed to the normal membership price, which is going to be $99 a month. Now, if that sounds like expensive, I want you to consider that a typical SEO campaign runs between $1,000 and $2,000 per month. So when you consider that pricing, consider that $99 per month is going to get you learning all of the SEO that you need. I am actually going to walk you through step by step, from doing your audits on your website, analyzing keywords, every single thing that we do in my agency. I'm going to walk you through that in this membership program. So the first 10 videos are going to be uploaded soon. I'm still working on building out the membership site, and I'm getting super close to being able to accept payments and do all those fun things. So when that happens, everybody on the email list, which I already have quite a few people on there, not quite up to 50 yet, but there's still some room left. So if you are considering joining, please definitely join the email list, so then that way you can get those updates. So I am very excited about that project, and very excited to help as many moms as I can with their websites, with their SEO, and get you all ranking. So super excited about that. But I hope you listen to episode 7. Again, it's all about sitemaps and how to submit them. So thank you so much for listening to the podcast. It's going very well, and I've been getting a lot of really, really positive response, and looking forward to hearing what you have to say in the Determined Mom Show community. So don't forget to join us there. You can just type that in your search bar in Facebook and join us there. So have a great day, everyone. Bye.